because there were defects in the church, and he had to deal with those different things. And there was one man in the church that was involved in a incestuous relationship with his mother-in-law. And Paul had to warn him to the point to where the man just wouldn't act right. She wouldn't act right. They were determined that they were going to be involved. They're going to revel with the devil. They were determined that they were going to do this type of debauchery, sexual debauchery, and still at the same time have their religion lotion, whatever they were going to put in motion. But he had to end up kicking them out of the church temporarily. He turned them over to Satan for the destruction of the flesh, that the spirit might be saved in the day of the Lord.